Guys, come join us for a Burt's Bees makeup tutorial. Okay guys, good morning. So we are gonna do a super fast tutorial on Burt's Bees makeup and how to do it in less than fill in the blank minutes. We're actually gonna time it to see. I don't really know how long it takes me to put makeup on. And up until a month and a half or so ago, I actually had not worn makeup until last Easter. So it had been a while, and I decided I didn't want all the chemicals in my makeup, so I went and I decided to go with the Burt's Bees. A friend of mine said that they had a good tinted face cream, and I didn't end up getting that. I ended up getting some other products. So I'll show you real quick. I have their BB cream, unless that's exactly what my friend was talking about. I can't remember. So that's kind of like your liquid foundation, and then their powder foundation. I got one of those, and then you can hear my son in the background. I got a tri-colored, this one says 1515 Countryside Lavender eyeshadow, and one of their eye pencils. I'm sure it was on sale, that's why I grabbed it. And I got their mascara. And then to apply it, I literally just grabbed the cheapest foam brushes that I could find, and I use this for the eyeshadow, and I use this for the BB cream, and the powder foundation has its own. So I'm gonna time it real quick, and you can just see it's gonna not change my look too much, but at least helps me feel a little bit better. It's gonna cover up all my hormonal zits, and you're gonna see real quick how it's possible if you're a homemaker and you're just feeling super duper ugly and worn out, that makeup in maybe like less than 10 minutes might just help you feel better that day. So here we go. Okay, we're gonna start the clock right now. Forgot to turn the music off that my kids sleep with. So you can probably hear that in the background. And again, guys, like I said, I don't wear this very often. In fact, I had gone almost an entire year without wearing makeup, and I was fine with that. But there's just some days where a little bit of makeup makes you feel better, not for anybody else other than yourself. And that's what I bought it for again. And so I chose this brand because it doesn't have a lot of harsh chemicals in it. I use an app. I don't really know if it's very accurate or not to help try to track the chemicals that are in there. But at least it makes me feel good about what's on my face. So I'd actually have to do a whole lot of extra research to see exactly what's in this stuff. But for the most part, as far as options go, I think that this is a really good, a really good option. So that's just the liquid foundation. Like I said, that's called Burt's Bees BB cream. This is a light medium, and it's 1.7 ounce. So it's not humongous, but it's not super small either. Johnny, come here, buddy. So now I'm gonna go, Rylan, can you go check on Bubba real quick, please? With the powder foundation. And like I said, when you open that up, it actually comes with a, what is this called? A sponge, I guess? An applying sponge, applicator sponge. And it has a little mirror in here too, so if you were doing this, I just told you it was. I don't even know why you guys watch my videos. This is about what life looks like for me in the morning times. If you're using this sponge and this powder foundation, you would find that there's a little mirror attached to the container. Don, come here, honey. He slammed his head. Come here, bud.
On the wall.
Come here, bud. If you need me, come here. My son's running around, and he's mad that he's done with his protein bar for breakfast, and his sister's not. He wants hers, so we're at 2 minutes and 52 seconds right now. You guys can see. if it was an emergency, I would be going to check on my son right now. But I know them, and he's just being needy. And that's why I'm not too worried right this second. Hey, Rai, calm down. That's Mommy's. I'm gonna get it in a minute. Mommy's gonna use it to put it on my face. Hey, buddy. You got my mayonnaise jar? That's really cool. What you gonna do with it? I see him. And so then I got, that's my daughter's hair. We haven't brushed hair yet this morning. I did get a pencil. I don't always use it, but when I do, sometimes it's just kind of on the edges. And I'm sure ladies who actually wear lots of makeup, like, I know there's different methods to do this. And I'm sure I'm probably not doing it the right way. But like I said, I try. Don't I? Is that funny? Is it funny that I'm drawing on my face? So y'all, like I said, I just got that, I think, because it was on sale. And then we're at 4 minutes and 52 seconds. So if I did this really fast, I could maybe beat 5 minutes, but you know, I even see this when I do that. I sometimes do the, Sometimes I do the bottom lashes, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do all the way across the top, sometimes I don't. It just depends. We're going out of town today, so that's another reason. I don't know, like I could just leave it like this and just leave it on the edges, or I could go all the way across, or I could do the bottom and everything. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna leave it on the edge. I'm at 5 minutes and 32 seconds, and I'm done. So I could do a little something different with my hair. I could do like a shaggy bun today, or I could do half up, half down, or I could do all the way down, or I could go all the way up. A lot of times, I just kind of, this is what I do, y'all see. It's gonna be kind of crazy looking on my curls.
Mommy, did I put this on?
I'm gonna, let's see, let me look in there. So I'm gonna,
Mama, you didn't
hold
put
on.
this on you.
I did put that on me, weren't you watching? I'm gonna do half up, half down. I usually like just do some random kind of bun thing in the back. And then I have this Hask curl sculpting, which, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I had one of my black friends tell me that this is a black girl product, but it seems to work for me. And you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but regardless, I found that it was a little bit more natural in its ingredients, I thought. And so I got it. So I don't care what color you are, if you use it, you can tell me, because I'd like to know the answer to that question. But anyway, look, that's Shaggy Mama look today. I got half up, half down, little bit of curl, and my makeup doesn't look a whole lot different, but within, I'm at 7 minutes and 12 seconds now. You may not put that on, you know. At least I don't look like a hot mess. I only look like half a hot mess. So that's Burt's Bees makeup tutorial. This is coconut milk and organic honey, quenches and controls frizz for all curl types. And then sometimes I'll do a little bit of hairspray up there, which totally is chemicals all over the place, but sometimes I don't. So again, I'm at 7 minutes and 40 seconds. I'm headed out into town today. I got skinny jeans and a sweater, and it is what it is, but at least I don't have pepperoni face, zits all over the place, and I'll feel better about myself going into town. And I honestly can't even smell the makeup on my face, which is one thing I hate about makeup, when you can smell and just feel it. Burt's Bees is not like that. You really don't even feel like you're wearing makeup at all. So, goodbye from my frizzy haired girl. Say bye. and my little man who likes to play in my cabinet while we put makeup on say bye.
Bye.
See you later, guys. Thanks for tuning in with us.